how to add a shape to a section and width. So I have in here this shape or this section right here. And in order to add a shape, you can just click on this plus icon. Now, once we're done with that, next thing we need to do is just click on the search option and search in here for shape. Now, from in there, you should be able to see in here this basic shape option. So just click on that and you can see it right here on a decorative and basic shape. So you can just choose which shape you want. So for example, right here, I'll just choose in here something that is actually really cute. So you can also expand in here for more basic shape suggestions. For this one, I'll just choose in here this sort of arrow, or you can also just upload in here a vector art that you can add for your Wix gallery. I'll just choose in here something randomly. I'll choose in here the star, and then I'll just put it right here, and then it will be added. So you can also make that bigger if you want. I'll make it bigger, and if you want, you can also change its color. You can change the basic shape, and you can see in here the design in order to change this color. For example, I'll make this color white. Now as you can see, it's been applied. So that's how you add a shape to a section and width. Hope we helped.